guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from Divas Wigs. All the links and everything will be in my description box, just in case any of you guys are interested. So here is what the packaging looks like. It's just like a silk little baggie. All right, it's a lot with this wig. So first off, it did come pre-plucked and the knots did come lightly bleached. I feel like if you wanted to, you could go back and bleach the knots a little bit more to make it a little bit more natural. Me, I didn't do that, but I did pluck the hairline a little bit more just because I am going to be wearing this wig up. So this is what the hairline looks like now. Before, the hairline was really nice. I'm going to try to attempt to put this wig up. Mind you, when they say 360 lace wig and they say that you can pull us up, this is the company. I'm talking to you if you're listening. Now, the mistake you made with this wig was adding everything on a lace in the back. This is the lace in the back. They had the adjustable straps on the lace. They also had a tag right here, and they also had like little tabs just in case you wanted to add elastic bands. If I wanted to pull it up, I would have no way to glue or adhere the lace down to the back of my neck because all of those things was in the way. I feel like if they was going to put a tag or just anything in general, they should have put it on the wefted part right here and not in the back. So what I did was I cut out everything. They had 3 combs up here. I cut that out too just so my wig could lay more flat. But just keep in mind, y'all, that if you do purchase this wig, you're not going to actually be able to glue this down in the back unless you remove everything. So y'all might want to reconsider the construction of this wig and kind of like fix that so people will be able to, you know, utilize this as a 360 wig and not just a lace front. Yeah, that didn't really make a lot of sense to me. It has been truly difficult. Like, I didn't spray my sides so many times. This wig is actually too small for my head, so it's really not working. Now the back was just so difficult. So me wearing this into a ponytail, probably not, but I'm still gonna try. I don't know. It's just like, it's not staying, y'all. So that's what it's looking like. It's totally not staying. So I'm probably going to have to wear this down. But let's fix this hairline. My wig cap is slipping and you can kind of see it. These sides are very crusty from all of this. From me trying to lay down the sides because like it's too small, so that's the first thing that lifts is the sides. I think they down now. I'm just not even certain. So okay, I'm about to fix these edges, speed it up, fix these edges, and then come back and kind of like style it a little bit because I actually need to leave the house with this, so we gotta try to do something with this, y'all. This is just a mess. I'm just gonna let y'all know the ponytail did not work out, but if it did work out, y'all, do y'all know how much of a gorgeous ponytail this could be? And just like, look how long it is. To the front. This is what we look like close up. So super pretty because the hair itself is like so pretty.